forecast the demand for reducing the waste and improving the efficiency of agricultural supply chains. So AI plays a very important, very predominantly important role in agriculture. So this helps to improve the agriculture. So now we can just see so many students doing projects for identification of medicinal plants, medicinal leaves, then rain harvesting. So everything. So across in agriculture, the various advantages. And so these are some of the applications, some of the applications where AI is playing a major role, and we have so many technologies that is every day booming up that facilitates AI across different domains. And so now there are so many challenges as well as limitations that are that we have in AI. So the AI technology faces several challenges today, including ethical concerns, data privacy issues, and limitations in understanding the human-like reasoning. So the future of AI. So when we see the future, there are so many trends in AI that are coming up. We can see that explainable AI, quantum computing, AI governance. Explainable AI is without knowing what is happening, whatever we want to achieve, that is being achieved with explainable AI. So emerging trends in AI are set to redefine the field, focusing on making the AI decisions more transparent and understandable. So you see, basically speaking, the explainable AI, it just helps to understand the decisions that are being taken by the AI models. Okay, leveraging quantum computing for advanced problem solving and establishing governance framework to ensure responsible AI use. So AI is okay. So AI is being used in different fields, like even in government, every policy. So everything is being automated because we want to have a good tracking of all the systems. So everything is being done with the help of AI. The all machine learning and deep learning models, they play a major role in making things possible. And so now actually, as I when started, we were talking about super intelligence. So with the help of AI, as AI is used in almost all the domains, AI is playing a wonderful role in almost all the domains, and this helps to achieve expert knowledge in almost all domains. So once the super intelligence is achieved, it could rapidly improve itself, which leads to exponential growth in intelligence. Okay, so there we can just see that there is exponential growth in the intelligence. When there is exponential growth in intelligence, there are various risks that pop up, like uncontrollable growth, potential existential threats to humanity. So one side we can find that artificial intelligence is growing in every domain. Every domain we can just see this, and there are so many machines that can replace humans. So by replacing the humans, we can just see that we get error-free, defect-free solutions. So all this leads to intelligent explosion. It is over-exploded. Okay, so because of intelligent explosion, our main goal as citizens, the main goal is we ensure that the super intelligent entities act in the ways that are beneficial to humanity. There are so many threats that comes up when the AI is growing. So when AI is at its boom, we also find security threats. We also find humanity threats. We also have so many threats that are popping up. So that is a great challenge to have a proper balance between the advantage as well as the drawbacks of intelligence. The key issues are we have to value the I mean the values, the human values should be aligned. So whatever we implement, whatever we try bringing in, we have to make sure that the human values are always valued. Okay, and there should be control and safety mechanisms which also have to be taken care. So only we saw that in future AI governance is a major trend in AI, because we have to make sure that everything is done in a governed way. Okay, so control and safety mechanisms are equally important, and we have to prevent unintended consequences. So all this have to be taken care of, because the AI is a very major has its major growth in the forthcoming area also. So with all this, we can just understand how AI have played a major role across various domains, and how it is, and what are the technologies that is behind the AI. So AI is still in its boom. Okay, so we have to embrace the future of technology, and we have to enhance our skills in AI. We have to know what is happening, what are the technologies that is lying behind AI. That is the end. Thank you. Any doubts or any queries?
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Ma'am, actually, I have a small doubt, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Actually, normally we can speak, okay, AI is a vital role in everywhere, but the input is given by human only, ma'am.
Sir, but
Yeah.
we don't know, sir. Actually speaking, we don't give the input like that. From most of the machine learning models.
Now we can compare with the human intelligence with the AI. So AI is get the input from human only, na?
Yeah, basically the old data, the data that we have, from that only we are just doing the learning. Sir, it is based on the experience that we have already. So when we take machine learning, sir, the base for machine learning is the data set. So data set is nothing but the already existing data that we have. Learning
Okay.
patterns, already it is the data that is present. We are actually not feeding from humans. It is the data that is already present. From that it is trained, and it is being given to the, uh, it is being utilized.
Okay. So once trained, we can utilize for longer time, right?
Yeah, exactly, sir. The old data, the past data that is being used for predictions, for predicting, for having better predictions.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Yeah, thank you, ma'am.